Meet Yuyi Morales. Yuyi is an author and an illustrator. She writes books and makes the pictures for them. This is one of her books. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom. Interview with Yuyi. As you read, think about the steps Yuyi takes to make a book. Scholastic Kid reporter Cami Cortez asks Yuyi questions about how she makes her books. This is Cami. Cami Cortez, what is your process for making a book? What steps do you take? Yuyi Morales, I sit and write and dream. I go to bed and I come back the next day. I do a lot of really tiny drawings. They don't have details. Then I take some of those drawings and make them bigger. I draw them with more details until I have a story. The last part is making final art. Cami Cortez, what gets you in the mood to write? Yuyi Morales, I love doing other things besides writing and drawing. For example, I love reading. I love reading other people's stories. I go and look at what other people are doing, and I get inspiration. Then I am ready to come back and start writing and drawing new things. I love it. Cortez, do you ever make mistakes? Yuyi Morales, I make mistakes all the time. Usually, I feel frustrated. One of the things that I've learned is it is okay to feel frustrated. It is okay to feel sad, to feel angry. Whatever we feel in that moment. Mistakes actually make my work even better. I can take a deep breath and then give myself another chance. If something is not working, you can erase and you can try again and again and again. Cami Cortez, what is your advice for kids? Yuyi Morales, if there is something that you love, just do it. You don't have to explain why you like it. Just do it. And this is how Yuyi does it. First, she dreams and comes up with ideas. Next, she makes tiny drawings. Then she makes bigger drawings and she adds details and colors. Now, boys and girls, on the back, you're going to find a drawing of Yuyi's studio. You're going to look at the items below and you're going to find them in her studio. There's a sewing machine, a box of paintbrushes, a bat, a basket of yarn, a skeleton doll named Senor Calavera, and a butterfly. Sometimes animals like bats and butterflies come into Yuyi's studio, and she made this artwork herself.
Hi, my name is Yuyi